Okay, welcome back. So where we left off last time was we made the functions basically for the actual chart. So we got like getting the messages and sending the messages. So transmitting and receiving basically. So what we're going to do next is include that function the file. So we're going to require. What do you reckon? Do you reckon you should do it that way or that way? Wait, that way. I'll do it that way. So let me know if you think different. So includes functions and it's called chat.func.php. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, here it is up there. So that's going to be included in here now. So let's just quickly refresh the page and make sure database has been selected and we've got no errors. So it's included all good. So we've got no errors in here. Mainly because I haven't called any function yet, so it shouldn't show up in any errors. So what we are going to do is do a bit of styling. So div is going to have an ID. Pointless have an ID, but of messages. We're not doing our full HTML template, so it's just, see, it's missing the HTML tags and the header tags and all that. It's just a simple thing. Not much is needed. So in here, what you would do is, no, that didn't work to plan. In here is where you would go. Messages is equal to get message, and let's go for each messages as message, do whatever's in here. We'll do this. So for each messages as message to whatever's in here. So we're going to echo out. We're going to echo out. We're going to echo out. We're going to echo out message. It's not capital, so this is not the database. This is the variables or not the variables in the array here. That's these things here. So whatever you call them there is what you call them here. So we're going to continue that on, and we're going to say sent this, and we're going to put a line break in, like so. At the front of this, just make it a lot easier. Actually, no, we'll do it at the end of it. Makes it a bit easier then too. And so that's going to do that. We're going to go echo. And we're going to put the message out here is like so. So it's going to be message. So if we've got no messages, we're going to have it run into a couple problems, as you probably noticed. You probably would. It's going to come up with a lot of things saying there's couldn't fetch anything, or what might come up with that, or something like that. And we're going to put 2 break tags in, like so. So save that. In front of this, I just want to make it stand out a tad. So I'm going to put some wrap it in strong tags, just for this and the strong tags. Strong, not string. And I say if we probably refresh that, we'll probably get nothing because there's nothing. I thought we would have gotten an error. Oh, it's not. Fair enough. So that's that. The next thing is we're going to create the form. So we're going to create a form. Create a form with an action equal to index.php, so this page, and a method of post. So inside here, we're going to create a label. Yeah, we're going to create a label. And it's going to be, say, enter name. Create input type of text. Give it a name equal to sender, an ID. We don't need to give an ID, that will do. And just end the label. Yep. And the second label is message input type. I won't be doing text area because I know you can, because I did make a text on the database, but just for tutorial purposes I won't do it. So if we refresh that, we should get this kind of form. So enter name, enter message, and what we're just going to do on it is put a break and just put input with a type equal to submit, a name equal to send, and a value equal to send message. So we refresh that, we should get that on the next page here, send message. So we've got no, that's not actually doing anything. So at the top here, what we're going to do, oh, not that one, get back up. So we're going to check if it's set. So if the button's been pressed, so if it is set, we're using the post method. The post method, so question $_post, and it is named send. Is set, we're going to run the function send message like so. So I'm going to send the message, and we're going to have _post and that again _post. It's going to be sender and message set. Oh, I keep spelling message wrong. In your chat function, so that's in there. So sender, you have to do in that order. And so we're going to put that in the if statements, because we were returning true if it did. And if it doesn't return true, it's going to be something. So if it returns true, we're going to say, oops, I'm getting off screen. If it returns true, we're going to echo out message sent. Else, we're going to echo out message failed to send, like so. So I'm pretty sure that would work now. Let's have a look, shall we? If we type send message, enter the name Luke, and message saying hello, we send the message, there it is. Look at that. We've got the database now, and click on chat table, click on bright, there it is, Luke hello. So we can say, I don't know, Bob, and Bob's your uncle. Yeah, messages. like so. So that's it for this tutorial. I will be doing add-ons for this probably in the near future, but for now this is simple chat, so you can play around with the code, change it at will. You can even see how it's the oldest message goes at the top, so probably a better option putting this up the top and having it descending so the newest message is up the top. Or you can just go like that, because otherwise, or if you go that way, when you get each message, you've got to scroll down. But so that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Till next time, have fun.